Hi guys. So about 7 months ago, Mr. Victor Sam 7579 had commented under this video asking about the difference in lists and tuples in Python. And so here I am with a video just after a few days. And also thank you to Hanumanji for commenting with a very helpful response and lightening my workload. So today we're going to talk about two fundamental data structures in Python, lists and tuples. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key differences between them and when to use each one. So let's start off. Here's how to create a basic list in tuple. In this code, we created a list called myList and a tuple called myTuple, both containing the numbers 1 to 5. So, one of the main differences between lists and tuples is that lists are mutable, meaning we can change their elements, whereas tuples, on the other hand, are immutable. So, that means we cannot alter or change their elements. As we can see here, we change the first element of the list to 10. If we try to do the same with the tuple, it will raise an error as shown here because tuples cannot be modified. Since lists are mutable, we can also add or remove elements easily. So here we appended the number 6 to the list and removed the number 3. With tuples, adding or removing elements is not possible. So another difference you can see between these two would be the memory usage. Tuples are generally more memory efficient than lists. Here we use the sys.getSizeOf function to compare the memory usage of the list and the tuple. You'll usually find that tuples are less memory consuming than lists. Another difference is the available methods. Lists also have more built-in methods compared to tuples. Lists have methods like append, remove, clear, and more, which are not available for tuples, and this is mainly because lists are designed to be modified while tuples are not. To summarize, lists are mutable and dynamic, making them suitable for collections of items that might change, while tuples are immutable and static, making them perfect for collections of items that should not change. So, when should you use each one? Use lists when you need to modify the data, and use tuples when you want to ensure the data remains constant.